I would have asked it, especially ikaw, mayora ka na. You didn't ask that.
Your Honor, hindi po kasi namin pinag-uusapan po sa bahay regarding...
I don't think
Opo.
so. I don't think so. You bilang nasa public service na holding a higher office at LGU, you would have been curious. Di ba? Kasi sabi mo, sooner or later, ito'y mauungkat, ito'y tatanungin sa akin. Kailangan ready ako sagutin yan. And I should tell the truth and you should have anticipated the fact na ikaw ay bahalang araw mapapatawag sa isang hearing tulad nito. So in this case, you are not prepared. Halatang may mga butas ng my statement mo kasi you should have asked your father, Dad, kung ako'y love child, how come na kasal pala kayo ng nanay ko? Tapos panay sabi mo na nabuntis lang at pagkatapos ng mabuntis, tumakas na. Umalis na yung nanay mo. Hindi, lumilitaw dito. Nagpakasal pa ulit yung papa mo sa mama mo. So, you should have asked that. Come on, Dad, give me a break.